Welcome back to Hidden Source News. Today we're diving into a heated showdown unfolding in Chicago. The clash between ICE operations and the deployment of the National Guard, and what it means for federalism, civil liberties, and communities in the city. In September 2025, the federal government launched Operation Midway Blitz in Chicago, targeting undocumented immigrants, especially those alleged to have criminal records. This surge has sparked protests, clashes, and legal challenges, especially around ICE's tactics at facilities in Broadview and elsewhere. In response, President Trump authorized deployment of 300 Illinois National Guard troops, federalized, plus additional units from Texas to the Chicago area. The Trump administration frames this as protecting federal agents and property, and also as part of a broader law and order enforcement strategy. State and city pushback. Illinois and Chicago have sued to block the deployment, calling it unconstitutional and a violation of state sovereignty. A judge declined to immediately block the deployment but scheduled hearings. Meanwhile, Chicago's mayor issued an executive order declaring ICE-free zones, barring ICE agents without warrants from operating on city-owned spaces like parks, libraries, and schools. Critics warn that bringing troops into domestic policing roles raises serious concerns under the Posse Comitatus Act, as well as civil liberties, especially when aggressive enforcement tactics are used. There's also debate over whether the situation in Chicago meets the threshold for invoking the Insurrection Act, which allows military forces in domestic matters under certain conditions. Local communities, immigrants, protesters, and journalists have raised alarms about excessive force, suppression of free speech, and the chilling effect of militarized operations. Some argue that the federal strategy is intentionally escalating tensions, using deployment as a political symbol or lever. At its core, this is a test of limits. How far can the federal government go in enforcing immigration policy inside cities, especially against the will of state and local leadership? For citizens and activists, this is a moment to stay informed, watch court rulings closely, and pay attention to how federal agencies engage with communities on the ground. I believe we should demand transparency, accountability, and respect for constitutional protections. Deploying troops in our cities is too serious a move to treat as a political stunt. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss updates as this plays out. I'll be updating you as new developments surface. Drop your thoughts below. Do you think federal force is ever justified in U.S. cities? What limits should exist? Let's discuss. Thanks for watching.